Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Computer Applications Technology class, which is known as CAT class, grade 10. Today's lesson is on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. The lesson outcomes. At the end of the lesson, you must be able to define what is Microsoft PowerPoint. Secondly, you need to list the purpose, the benefits, the functions of Microsoft PowerPoint. You need to be able to create and edit a PowerPoint presentation. And last but not least, you need to apply different formatting in a Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Okay? Moving on. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Take your time, think about it. When you think about the concept of Microsoft PowerPoint, what initially comes to your mind? What have you heard about Microsoft PowerPoint? Right? Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is a software application that allows you to combine text and graphics for screen presentations. For instance, the presentation slides that I'm using here, I use the Microsoft PowerPoint application in order for me to create these slides. You understand? You can use this thing in business, in community meetings. That is going to guide how the meeting is going to go. You can combine images, pictures, and all that, etc., etc. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation was created by Robert Gaspins and Dennis Austin at a software company named Forethought Inc. It was released on April 20, 1987. Can you see it has been there for a long time, and then gradually it has evolved with the inclusion of new and innovative features on the software. Okay. Now let's move into the content of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This PowerPoint presentation, it has got the tab function. The tab function is where you find different functions that you are going to use or utilize when you are creating a PowerPoint presentation. It has got the package designed electronically, consists of separate pages or slides, different slides. And last but not least, you can add or delete slides on a PowerPoint presentation. What is the purpose? What purpose does this Microsoft PowerPoint presentation serve? Why use Microsoft PowerPoint? Why do we need this? The reason for its existence. Why was it created? The main purpose is to allow or to create outstanding informational slides with the use of text, graphics, and animation. As I have said in the introduction, that we are using this Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to do what? To create slides, to group information. You edit, you use animation to present information. You can use it in the workplace to present information or slides shows in a conference or a meeting. Hence I said in a community meeting, during a conference, in a business. When you're, for instance, let's say you want to pitch your business idea in the workplace, what you're gonna do, you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint to create slides in which you are going to present your ideas, from the main idea, the marketing, the purchasing, like how your idea is structured, how your business is going to operate. This thing is going to guide you. You understand? What it does, we've got animation, motion path, text and image emphasis, narrative. You can see. You can go through this on your own. Now we're going to go into the more practical part of the lesson. In this case, I want you to follow me on how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You follow the steps, and then we're also going to apply different formattings on the presentation. I'm going to guide you on what to do and how to do it. You just look on the board. I hope you all understand. Give me a moment. You can go to your search button and then you will see it will appear. Just write PowerPoint, it will appear there. And then give me a moment. Yes, as I was saying, we have a PowerPoint presentation slides, the first one given by the software. This is where you can add slides. For instance, title and slide, title and content, section header, show content. Here is mostly, here there is comparison where you need to compare two things. On this side, you can write the advantages, maybe for instance, the disadvantages, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. You see how it goes. For instance, let's take title and content. Write your name, like your name, surname, or initial, or grade 10 C, and then below write cat class. You see, and then from there you go to add another slide. You see, and then you can write, what do you want? My family. Okay, my family. What are your family? Mother, father, sister, cousin, and so on. You can write as many as you want. And then from there, another slideshow. What do we want here? We want a picture, for instance, of your family. If you want to insert a picture, you go to insert and then pick. As I was saying, after going to the insert, you go to where your picture is saved on the computer. For instance, mine is saved under pictures. Let me see. Here is my lovely family. As I was saying, you can go here whereby you can choose the size of the picture, looking at the width, the height and everything. So on your computers, I would like you to make it 20 centimeters and width make it 20 also. And then rotation make it 60 degrees. Okay. You can also come here whereby you'll find the body of the picture or the themes also. And then the picture effects, you see, shadow, what kind of shadow, outer, inner. Okay, and then you can also crop it like this. Just decide for your instinct. Okay. I hope you are able to see. You see? And then that's it. And then we can go to the back home tab and then we add another slide. Let's say comparisons. Here we can see family, males, and then females. Females, we can say they are young, and then here they are old. Educated, and then here you can say uneducated. You see how it goes. And then from there, the family. From there we're okay, and then we'll go to the design of the PowerPoint presentation, starting with the first slide. Design. How do you want it to be like? You can come here and then you choose your options. My favorite one is this one. You see, grade 10C, cat class, everything is like that. Or you can choose this one, depending on your choice. Okay, after that, let's go to transition. How do the slides appear when you are doing a presentation? More. Okay. Let's say dissolve. That's how dissolve is. And then you choose again, reveal. And then say shape. And then lastly, let's say fade. You get it. And then here on the far right side, you can check the sound, the duration, the slides. It takes the slides to move from one slide to another. And then elimination, the tab is not active. Slideshow from start to finish, hide and all that. And then review. And then the view tab. And then you can come here. We've got slide sorter, reading views, slide view. Let's go for slide view. You see, this is the family and everything. This is the slide view. It doesn't show you the other tabs. The picture of the family, the mother, the sister, and then the grade 10C class. And that's how you create a PowerPoint presentation depending on the content that you're focusing on. And then you go to save. You choose. Normally I prefer desktop because it's easier for me to locate my files there. And then I will say my family. And then save. The document is now saved, and then let me exit, and then I'll find the document on my desktop. Where is my family? Here is my family. Okay. Is there anyone with questions where you need clarity, where you are concerned, where you don't understand, where you need me to explain? Feel free to raise up your hand. Don't shy away. As we're here, we've created a PowerPoint presentation. We've applied different formatting on the presentation. We've reached the conclusion of our lesson. We have seen that the main purpose of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is to create informational slides using text, graphics, and animation. It's mainly used in workplace, conferences, and meetings. You understand? And then you can also add your ideas on how you can use the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Since we've reached the conclusion of our lesson, as an assessment, I want you to create a PowerPoint presentation whereby you're going to present your business idea. You can choose any business idea, any type of businesses that you want or you love. Thank you very much for your cooperation. It was a wonderful lesson, and enjoy the rest of your day.